Yo, what is up, everybody? It's your boy, Young EJ, back at it again with another banger. Alright, so today what I'm gonna do is check out this product called Avon Clearskin Professional 3-step. Alright, so let's check what's in the box. Alright, so this is step 2, has toner pads in it. This is deep pore cleaning scrub. And here's some lotion. Some daily correcting lotion. Alright guys. After looking at all these products, because I have some pretty bad acne, I'm not gonna lie with you, but I give this video 5 likes and I'll post how it works on my face. Alright, peace out everybody.